To cite a book without a translator, we will begin with the author information. We will provide the author's last name, followed by a comma. We will then give the author's first name, and end this section with a period. If the book has two authors, the author section will look like this. After the initial author, we will include a comma, the word and then we will present the second author's name. Please note that this name is provided first name and then last name. If the text has three or more authors, the citation will look like this. After the initial author and comma, we will include the words et al., which means and others in Latin. After providing the author information, we will then give the title of the book. This title is given in italics, and we will generally capitalize all nouns, pronouns, verbs, adjectives, and adverbs within this title. This section is then ended with a period. After the title, we will provide the name of the publishing company. It is important to note, if the publishing company has the word university or press within its name, we will abbreviate these words to U and P respectively. We then follow the publisher name with a comma. Finally, we end the citation with the year of publication and a period.